Are you struggling to choose the best pool pump? Let's compare 4 of the best pumps on the market from Pentair to help you make the right decision. Hi, I'm Nick from AquaPoolSupply.com, and today we'll get into the details of the Pentair SuperFlo 1.5 horsepower 342002, the Pentair WhisperFlo 2.6 horsepower 011533, the Pentair IntelliFlo3 1.5 horsepower 011065, and the Pentair IntelliFlo3 3 horsepower 011075. We'll explore their differences, similarities, benefits, and help you determine which pump is right for you. First, let's explore the key differences between these models. The Pentair SuperFlo 1.5 horsepower can run on either 115 or 230 volts and features a compact design, making it ideal for easy installation in residential pools. It's designed to replace single-speed pumps without requiring costly rewiring. This pump offers significant energy savings and operates quietly, providing a comfortable and efficient pool experience. The Pentair WhisperFlo 2.6 horsepower can run on either 115 or 230 volts. This pump is designed for high head applications, offering superior performance and energy efficiency. It's perfect for pools with waterfalls, fountains, and other high head features. The robust motor and durable construction ensure long-lasting performance and minimal maintenance needs. Next, the Pentair IntelliFlo3 1.5 horsepower can run on either 115 or 230 volts. This pump is also designed for high head applications and is ideal for standard residential pools, offering excellent energy efficiency and quiet operation. The variable speed feature allows for precise flow control, optimizing water circulation, filtration, and savings on your electricity bill. Lastly, the IntelliFlo3 3 horsepower runs on 230 volts only and is designed for larger pools requiring more power. Its strong motor makes it suitable for pools with complex high head features like spas and large water features. This pump excels in advanced flow control and energy efficiency, ensuring your pool remains crystal clear while saving on energy costs. It also integrates seamlessly with Pentair's automation systems and the Pentair Home app for ultimate control and convenience. Now, let's discuss what these pumps have in common. All 4 pumps feature variable speed technology, enhancing energy efficiency and performance. They also offer smart control options via the Pentair Home app or pool automation systems, allowing for easy monitoring and adjustments, no matter where you're at. Plus, each pump provides significant energy savings compared to traditional single-speed pumps, reducing operational costs. Additionally, these pumps are designed with robust motors and durable components to ensure long-lasting performance and reliability. Now, what benefits do these Pentair pumps have to offer? First, they offer up to 90% energy savings, significantly lowering your electric bills. By operating at lower speeds for longer periods, these pumps consume less energy while maintaining optimal pool conditions. Smart technology provides precise control over pump settings, ensuring optimal performance. Whether you're using the Pentair Home app or the dedicated control panel, you can easily adjust the pump speed and schedule to match your pool's needs. And finally, Pentair's robust construction ensures long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance. These pumps are built to withstand harsh pool environments, providing reliable operation for many years to come. Now, who would benefit most from each of these pumps? The SuperFlo is great for residential pools with a need for a compact, easy-to-install solution that offers significant energy savings. It's designed to replace most single-speed pumps without requiring costly rewiring. This pump is ideal for smaller pools with shorter plumbing runs and no high head features. This is, after all, a medium head pump, and it provides efficient and quiet operation for residential settings. The Pentair WhisperFlo is ideal for those needing a powerful, energy-efficient pump for high head applications. It's perfect for larger or more complex pool systems with features like in-floor cleaning systems, waterfalls, fountains, as well as for pools with longer plumbing runs that require more power to push water through, because after all, this is a high head pump. The IntelliFlo3 1.5 horsepower is perfect for pool owners seeking versatility and voltage options. It's great for standard residential pools, offering excellent energy efficiency and quiet operation. This pump is well suited for pools with shorter plumbing runs and fewer high head features, as this is only a 1.5 horsepower pump, making it an excellent choice for typical home pools. The IntelliFlo3 3 horsepower motor is best suited for larger pools requiring more power and advanced flow control. It's ideal for pools with spas, in-floor cleaning systems, large water features, or complex circulation needs, as well as for systems with longer plumbing runs and higher resistance. This pump provides the necessary power to maintain optimal water flow in demanding setups. Each Pentair pump offers unique benefits and features, ensuring there's a perfect match for every pool owner's needs. Visit aquapoolsupply.com or give us a call so we can help you find the perfect pool pump for your pool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more pool care tips, installations, and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.